Hey guys, this video is for those people wondering how to transfer money from Vanilla Gift Card to Chime. Now, I will give you something important you'll not find in other videos. Completely honest, Chime does not actually allow you to link gift cards directly as a funding source. So what you'll need to do is use a bridge app like Venmo or PayPal. You can just link the gift card as a payment method. So for example, here we are in Venmo. We'll link this gift card, card number, expiration date, CVV code, and zip code if there is, and then you link the card. Okay, enter the details, link the card, go ahead and enter the details for your vanilla gift card, and then here you go ahead and send this amount over. Make sure the payment method is the card. Okay, you come here, tap on pay using the card, and then you can transfer this to the bank. You can cash this out basically, and you can choose your Chime account, and then you transfer it there. So it's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button. Appreciate the honesty. Make sure you subscribe to find your solution.